Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can share your board on Miro, for example, your whiteboard presentations with your contacts and friends, so that you may work with your contacts and friends together on these presentations. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your board on Miro.com. And there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one, you access the board view here with your presentation and click into this menu in the top right and select share this board. After that, simply click into this button here to create a shareable invitation link to that board here. That's option number one. You may also use that field here, for example, to send an email invitation or invitation directly via the username or the given username here on Slack, Google, or Microsoft. That's option number one. Option number two, guys, you can do this also from the board's overview here inside your team. In your home section in your Miro account, simply click into these three dots here next to the given board, select share from the drop-down menu, and after that you may invite the given user to your board. Also, guys, you can invite the given user to your team as well, but that's something we covered already in a separate tutorial. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.